back to another Cactus Minute. In today's episode we are looking at Lobelia cruisingeri. Well, I think that's how you say it, that's it down there. So this guy here has put on an incredible display of flowers, beautiful scarlet red, and there's 4 massive blooms all going at once. This guy has flowered before, however not quite on this scale. I couldn't get all the flowers to open at the same time. So pretty impressive. As you can see here, the body of the plant leans more towards being sort of a column cactus, being that it is more upright than rounded, and fairly fuss-free plant. Difficulty level for this guy around a 4 to a 5, not too difficult. During the growing season they will take copious amounts of water, but for the rest of the time, like most cactus, keep them on the dry side. He is growing in, again, a mineral mix. This one has pumice in it. Now I would like to use pumice more often, however it is an incredibly difficult substrate to source economically, so it's sort of, I use it when I can, which has only been a couple of times over the last few years. But all in all, really beautiful plant, and incredibly impressive flowers, as you can see there. Just try and get the sunlight a bit better because I think the plant's backlit, so I'm just going to scooter around. There we go, it's a bit better. As you can see there, like that's easily like a handful worth of flowers. Really nice, beautiful red colour. So again, that is Lobelia, I'm going to say it's cruisingeri. Doesn't sound like a very botanical name, but anywho, still a nice plant regardless. I might even have the name wrong, who knows. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye.